What up, folks? Jerky Jones here. I am at the new crew house. Yes, I work in the oil field and I am in a crew house. That's where I live, and I'm in a new one. But my van is here. See, right over there. All faithful. All lovely. But that's not what we're working on today, folks. No, I have something a little cooler, actually. I recently bought a 2001 Softail Harley Davidson. And today, I'm gonna change and clean, well, clean, not change. I'm gonna take out and clean the air filter. It's just a minor little maintenance upkeep, but it's something I can do, and at least I think I can, and something we're gonna try. But anyways, folks, here's my Harley Davidson 2001 Softail FXST. So yeah, let's take a closer look, cause it's badass. So here it is, folks, in all its glory. Been out on a couple rides on it, and it is friggin' awesome. It's so cool. It rides really well. It handles bombs. It's a 1488 cylinder, CC, and it is a 1488 CC twin cam 88 is what they call it. It's got the 45-degree classic Harley motor. Yeah, it's just a cool bike, man. My buddy, I bought it off my good friend. He gave it this rat rod kind of look, just painted over it with black, which I really like. Comes with saddlebags, which I have over there. Took them off just so it's a little sleeker and cooler. But, oh yeah, check it. What a badass vehicle. So, yeah, that's all. I can't really say a ton of details, but she runs well. So anyways, let's pull the filter off. It's right here. I'll take these off. I think this comes out. Filter comes out. We'll give it a wash. I got some filter spray oil to help pick up any particulates when we put it back in. But it should be easy. Shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. Knock on chrome. And yeah, here we go. All right, so I got the part I need. It's this little interesting 5-sided screw. I don't know what the heck you call it, but it fits in here pretty well. So let me put the camera down. I wonder if I can just do it like this. There we go. Came out easy enough. Okay, well, let me do the rest of them. And I'll just put the camera over here for now. These off. Oh yeah, coming off nice and easy. No problemo. Si, senor. Mi trabajo es muy fácil. Gotta watch out, you don't want to scratch the chrome. So yeah, like I said, I took this thing out for a couple rides now. Boy, is it fun. Like it's loud, which is good. You know, it's annoying for people walking on the street. I'm sorry, but it's loud, and loud pipes save lives, so they say. Lets people know you're there. But she rips around, and you know, I have my cowboy boots on, and my jeans, and the Harley jacket my buddy gave me, and it was just awesome. Okay, first piece off. You got it off. Easy breezy. So we'll set that down. Oh, it looks like we need one more big piece. So let me search through my ratchet set and get this size. All right, so I got the screw out, but at first the bit, I was searching my whole ratchet set, the bit wouldn't fit into the screw. Like, it was the size, but it wouldn't flushly go in, and so I tried turning it, and it was like stripping the screw. So I just hammered the bit in, and it fit perfectly, and good enough that I can also take the screw out. So we're good. I was worried it was not gonna come out, but see, now it fits good. It just needed a little love. Got the 2 pieces off. Now I believe this just comes off. Let's give her a wiggle. I'm gonna set this camera down. Back over here on the seat. Let's give her a little wiggle. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, okay, cool. Comes off easy, no problemo, like I said. All right, let me pause this. I got a little more work to do here. I gotta somehow get these off. But I don't know what size they are. So let's fiddle faggle. I'll start testing some things and see if we can get her. All right, I think we found the right size. Push this in. I don't know. I don't want to strip any of this. But fuck, oh, that's really. And there we go. Got one. Got it. You are looking at someone who is not mechanically sound at all. But, folks, ladies and gentlemen, we got her. All right, off she comes. Cool. So that's where the air comes in. Oh, interesting. Interesting. It's a little bit of grease and goop there. Try to clean that out after. Maybe I'll get a little Q-tip. Here's old dirty. Let's go take it inside and give it a scrub. Okay, and I'm just letting that soak, the filter, but I'm gonna just wipe this goop out of here. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh yeah, goopy girl. Goopy girl. Give it a little cleaning. I wish I had a little mini ultra small pressure washer. I could use that. I think it's coming along. Coming along good. A little bit of palm olive. Alright folks. What the hell is that noise? Oh, of course, street sweeper. Just as I'm making a video. Every time. Yesterday I was trying to make a video and a garbage truck parked right next to me. We'll let this thing go by. Alright folks, the filter is dry. I ran over to my buddy Scott's house and tuned the carburetor on the old van. They're parked in the driveway now. So yeah, filter's dry. We're gonna give it a little spray, the lightest spray of some filter oil. That helps pick up and give the contaminants, any dust sticks to the filter on the outside before it even, has to go through. So let's do that real quick. Here we go. Ooh, isn't she pretty? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. And there we go. All right. I think that's good. Yep, we got her. There we go. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know, give it a light spray. We don't need to soak it. I think it's pretty good. Yeah. You saw it. You saw how I did it. I held it away. I gave it a little spray, twist spray. She's good. Good to go. Okay, time to put it back on. All right, folks, filter's on. Now, the last thing, let's start it up. See how she sounds.